This is Mrs. Rose reporting live from the town of Chewandswallow. Let's take a look at our weather forecast for today. In the early morning, expect some eggs and bacon from the north, followed by a drizzle of maple syrup. You may want to bring an umbrella for that one. Then we are expecting an onslaught of PB&J sandwiches with a downpour of chocolate milk. You might just want to stay inside this afternoon. Later this week, our map is showing a swell of spaghetti from the south, followed by a torrential downpour of meatballs. Keep small pets indoors, as some meatballs may be very large. I'm Mrs. Rose reporting for Chewandswallow News. Stay tuned for the latest weather update.